Okay, we're asked to do a series of for the hyperbolic sign. Now, if you're familiar with the function, that's good. If not, they tell you what it is. It's a relationship with Euler's number, and it's this over here. And they want it centered at 0. So, I mean, you could do derivatives, but it seems like unproductive. So I do know the series for e to the x, and I'll put that down for you. That's going to be 1 plus x squared over 2 factorial plus x3 over 3 factorial, and yada, yada, yada. And that's true for all real numbers. So the interval on that is just all real numbers. We know that. E to the minus x, what's that going to be? 1 minus x plus x squared over 2 factorial minus x cubed over 3 factorial. And what are we doing with these guys over here? We're just looking at it. We're subtracting them. So if I did that, I'll write that down for you. If I took e to the x and I subtracted away e to the minus x, well, it doesn't look that bad. You'd get 2x. Then you get 2x cubed over 3 factorial. Not that I have everything written down here for you, but I think you probably have an idea what's happening next without writing a bunch of terms down. What are you going to get? Plus 2x5 over 5 factorial. Now, someone says, what do you need to do with that? We need to divide it by 2. So let me do that. Every term's going to be divided by 2. Every term gets divided by 2. And this goes on forever, by the way. So what do you get over here? You get x plus x cubed over 3 factorial plus x5 over 5 factorial. And this goes on forever. Got a nice simple pattern to it. So the hyperbolic sign is going to equal a sum. And let's write this down. I'm going to write down the power first. So it's going to be x. I'll get the n later. N equals. And I'm going to say it's something to do with 2n plus 1. And the bottom, I'll put this over here. I'll put 1 factorial there. I can say they're really the same thing, 2n plus 1, but it's a factorial on bottom. Where are we starting? At 0, because we want to get 1, and then 3, and then 5. What's the radius for this one over here? Infinite. What's the interval? Minus infinity to infinity. And we're done. Thank you.